You pull into a gas station at 2 a.m. in the middle of nowhere. The pumps are on. The fuel is there. It's always there. Think about it. You've never once driven up to a gas station and seen a sign that says, "Sorry, we're out of gas." Not once. In a world where store shelves go empty, where water runs out, where even toilet paper disappeared overnight in 2020, gas stations never run out. Why? The answer involves a hidden underground system, AI-powered predictions, and a supply chain so perfectly engineered that most people have no idea it even exists. Let's start with what you can't see. Beneath every gas station, right under your feet, are massive steel or fiberglass tanks buried in the ground. A typical gas station has 3 to 6 of these tanks. Each one holds between 10,000 and 30,000 gallons of fuel. That's enough to fill over 600 average cars. But here's the thing, those tanks aren't just sitting there passively. They're connected to a system called an ATG, automatic tank gauge. This device monitors fuel levels 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It measures how much fuel is in each tank down to the inch. It tracks how fast fuel is being sold. And it sends alerts when levels drop below a certain threshold. The station owner doesn't have to check anything manually. The system does it automatically, and in many modern stations, it sends data directly to the fuel supplier in real time. So by the time you're pulling up to pump number 4, the system already knows exactly how much fuel is left, and has already calculated when the next delivery needs to happen. Now let's talk about the trucks. Fuel doesn't appear magically. It arrives in those massive tanker trucks you see on highways, usually at night or early morning, when the station is quiet. A single tanker truck carries between 5,000 and 11,000 gallons of fuel. It pulls up, connects hoses to underground fill ports, those small metal caps in the parking lot you've probably stepped over 100 times, and pumps fuel directly into the underground tanks. The whole process takes about 20 to 30 minutes. But how does the truck know to come? Most gas stations today are connected to automated supply networks. The ATG system sends fuel level data to a central distribution hub. Software analyzes that data, cross-references it with historical sales patterns, local events, weather forecasts, and even nearby road traffic, and automatically schedules deliveries before the tank ever gets close to empty. No phone calls. No manual orders. The system manages itself. Here's how the math works. A busy gas station might sell 4,000 to 8,000 gallons of fuel per day. With a 20,000-gallon tank, that gives them roughly 3 to 5 days of supply. But they don't wait until the tank is empty to reorder. They reorder when the tank hits about 30% capacity, a safety buffer. This is called the reorder point, and it's calculated precisely based on average daily sales, supplier delivery lead time, and seasonal demand fluctuations. During summer road trips, deliveries come more frequently. During a snowstorm, the system predicts a spike and pre-fills the tanks. Near a highway exit on a holiday weekend, extra deliveries are already scheduled days in advance. The system is always one step ahead of demand. And here's something most people don't realize. Large fuel retailers like Shell, BP, or ExxonMobil own the entire supply chain. The refinery, the pipeline, the distribution terminal, the tanker trucks, and the gas station, all connected, all coordinated. It's not just a store. It's a logistics machine. But where does the fuel actually come from before it reaches the station? It starts at a petroleum refinery, massive industrial plants that convert crude oil into gasoline, diesel, and other products. From the refinery, fuel travels through underground pipelines, some of which stretch thousands of miles across entire countries. The U.S. alone has over 190,000 miles of liquid petroleum pipelines. The fuel then arrives at a fuel terminal, a large storage facility with huge tanks. From the terminal, tanker trucks pick up specific loads and deliver them to individual stations. The entire journey from refinery to your car's tank is tracked digitally at every step. This is why fuel is almost never actually unavailable. It's constantly moving through the system like blood through a body. The only times gas stations truly run out: when that system breaks down. Natural disasters, hurricanes, pipeline failures, panic buying. In 2021, when hackers attacked the Colonial Pipeline in the US, gas stations along the East Coast ran dry within hours, not because there was no fuel, but because the delivery system stopped. That single event revealed just how perfectly tuned the system normally is, and how fast things fall apart without it. So why do gas stations never run out of fuel? Because it's not a store waiting for customers to notice shelves are empty. It's an automated, data-driven, 24/7 logistics system, engineered specifically so that fuel is always there when you need it. Underground tanks, automatic monitoring, predictive software, pipeline networks, scheduled deliveries before you even think about filling up. The next time you pull into a gas station and the pump just works, remember, dozens of systems and hundreds of decisions made that moment possible. And none of them required you to think about it at all. That's the beauty of great engineering. It disappears. If you found this interesting, you'll love our next video where we break down another everyday mystery you've never thought to question. Hit subscribe and leave a comment. What everyday thing do you think works by magic? See you in the next one.